For this first one right here, we have this tray, and I love this tray. And I also got these paints from Dollar Tree too. It's a whole little palette, and it's like nice neutral colors. So with this one, I was thinking about doing a black, but then when I opened up this paint, I thought maybe the gray would look nice and would go along with the other trays that I was doing. And it turned out the gray looked so nice. And these colors are nice and saturated. I only used one coat for the trays that I did with these. It does dry down a little bit, but you still see the color so nice. So I just went over the whole tray. I went over the top. I went over the sides of the tray. Like I said, with one coat, I did make sure to get into all of the little cracks and crevices of this tray. And like I said, these are the clay like trays from Dollar Tree. So they have like a nice little rough texture to it. And then for this one, I wanted to do a little gold trim. That's why I was originally going to go with the black. And in this palette too, you'll have a gold metallic paint too. So I ended up using that gold metallic paint, and I just went around it. And you also get this paintbrush in it. So you get the colors there and you get the paintbrush in this. So I went around the edge and then the little tip of like the leaf there with the gold metallic paint. This I ended up doing about maybe two coats on this. Like I went over and then went over again once it dried down a little bit. And this paint dries fast because the texture of these little trinket trays, the paint soaks in and it dries rather fast. And then once it was dry, I just went over it to finish it with some Mod Podge. So you can do it with the glossy, with the matte. For this one, I did a matte. I poured way too much in there. So I did take some of that excess off, but I just went around with the coat around the top and around the sides where I did paint around the sides there. I didn't paint completely on the bottom because you're not going to see that, but I did that, let that dry, and then this is how it came out. I think out of all of the trinket trays that I did using those new pieces from Dollar Tree, this one might be my favorite one out of them all.